Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today we have BAGAMOUR. That's right, I got this big old box from BAGAMOUR and it's got their name all over it, and this is a BAGAMOUR mystery box. That's right, I was able to subscribe to their mystery box for $29.99 a quarter plus shipping. Shipping usually runs around $12 or $14, so it ends up costing me close to $47 or $46 to have this shipped. But inside will be 2 bags, and I chose BOHO, and there will be some goodies, and sometimes it's 5 little goodies in there that are lifestyle, separate from the bags themselves. And the bags are usually very pretty and very well made, and I am enjoying this so far. And if you didn't watch the Easter box hunt that we had, we all picked a box to introduce that was new to our channel, and I picked BAGAMOUR, and BAGAMOUR won that overall battle of the best new box introduced for 2023 in our little collaboration. And I'll put a little link up there if you want to check it out to see what the last BAGAMOUR box looked like. The giveaway is well done, and we've already chose our winners, and we did have an overall winner, and she wanted this box, but they had sold out of their subscriptions for the mystery box for $29.99, so she ended up choosing the Jinglo box, which is an excellent box as well. But without any further ado, and if I haven't welcomed you, welcome to my channel. Let's get in this box and find out what we got. I'm so excited. This is a fun little subscription to get. Do you like to get purses? Do you like bags? I've got way more than I need, just like shoes. I mean, got tons of shoes, but I still get more, and I still add to it. And on the shoes, I get in the habit of wearing the same old ones over and over. I practically wear them out. What do you do? Now, I do wear the other ones that I buy because I do have a lot, but my favorite ones I seem to just wear over and over and over. And then I wish I bought like 2 or 3 pair of that same kind. But let's look inside this box, and here we go. It says, "For the love of the bag, BAGAMOUR." And you can tell they've got it all bagged up there in their nice little duster bag. And I'm gonna pull that out. Oh, we got all these goodies in here. Looky there. I want you to have a better look of it. BAGAMOUR. Got the little heart on there. Ooh, I see some daisies, it looks like. Can't wait to see what we've got in here. I'm just going to have to start pulling out stuff because they've got things sitting right on top. This is one of my little lifestyles. This is an inspired rose floral roll-on perfume oil. Look at that. Isn't that neat packaging inside this little thing here? Did I say $29.99? I've already got a roll-on. Ooh, that smells good. Oh, that smells very good. I like that. It's rose and floral, so like there's other scents in there. I'm going to put some up here too. Oh, I like that. That's handy. Look how small that is. It'll easily fit in my purse. And it says inspired rose floral. And I'm going to put it back in its little case here, but isn't the packaging cute? Okay, that was my first item. Oh my. Well, here's the next one. This is a Bella Pierre. It's Runway Super Gloss. And let's take a look at this. Ooh, I love that color. That's pretty. Yeah, that's very pretty. Well, it toned my lips down just a little bit with some pink. Ooh, that's nice and moisturizing. It's a super gloss, and I think I have a package of those super glosses, but maybe not this color. I like that pink color. Very nice. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. Oh my goodness. I think we have a hat. Look at this. Now, who would expect a hat in the BAGAMOUR box? Look at this. And it looks like it's BOHO style. That is so cute. Wow. Now, it's going to need to be, I guess, shaped up a little bit, but isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. I may have to do a little trimming there. I'm not quite sure. It looks like they got a little piece of straw on that end. But it has a little bow on there. And maybe that's supposed to be to the side. Maybe like that. What do you think? How do you think that's supposed to be worn? That is cute. Okay, I like that. That'll be great. And it's something that's foldable. And I can take that on my trip. That's exactly right. So much fun. The next item I'm pulling out of here, out of my lifestyle, is this little box. And whoops, there goes part of it. Let's see what we have here. Not quite sure what we have. Ah, there we go. Oh, it's a little lunchbox. Look at that. It has a fork in there. And then I think this must be a divider. So like if you want to divide up your food. Yeah, that's what that is. See? And then I think you could have your fork sitting to the side there. And maybe it goes the other way. And then you have your fork resting right here. So what do you think about that? That's pretty cool. Wasn't expecting a lunch dish inside my BAGAMOUR box. Very nice. And then you just clip it back down. And then this here is your secure lock. So you lock it up that way so it doesn't spill. So you can take sandwiches, or I don't know, you could take like food like lasagna or something like that in there and keep it all nice and fresh. Okay, is that all the... No, it's not all. We have more lifestyle. Looky here, guys. They sent me some sunshades. Wow, this is a great bag box for $29.99. Oh my goodness. And even with the shipping, it's well worth it. Oh my goodness, let's take a look at these. What do you think? Is that rad or what? Wow, I need to be having white on when I wear these. Does the square look right on me? Maybe not with my hair all up. I wonder if it was down, if it would look better. Let's take a look. Oh, what do you think? Yeah, I think I like it better wearing the shades on with my hair down. What do you think? Am I styling or what? All right, I love these glasses, and they're dark. So they're definitely going to protect you from the sun. Wow. That's fantastic. I just can't believe this. This is great. Okay, now let's get to the bags. Surely that's all the good stuff as far as the lifestyle. Now we got to get to the bags. Okay, here's the first one that I'm pulling out. And they each have their own dust cover. And guys, this is made out of fabric. So this is like a fabric bag. Look how big this bag is. This is like a mustard yellow. This is something that you can go shopping with. This is a large tote. Look at that. And then you have like a zipper pouch in here. And look how big this zipper pouch is. You can keep quite a bit. Oh, it's really deep. I don't know if I can show y'all how deep it is, but look how deep that zipper pouch is. That is very nice. Wow. See if I can show you how big it is. And it is made out of cloth, so it's fabric, but it's made out of, it's not corduroy, but it kind of feels like that kind of fabric. Wow, that is so cool. So cool, I love it. And it's just got the BAGAMOUR tag on here, and it just says, for the love of the bag and everything within, welcome to BAGAMOUR family. Share the love with someone and give them this code. BAGS10. Okay, there's your code, BAGS10, for $10 off their new quarterly subscription, or use this code at our end of the year pop-up shop sale on some of your favorite things you missed out on, and it's bagamour.com. So y'all take a look at that if you're interested in that. BAGS10 for $10 off. Their regular quarterly box is $59.99, and I think sometimes you can get your first box for $29.99. So I don't know if you can get another $10 off of that if you use this coupon, or if you join up, you may be able to use this coupon to buy something in the shop when it comes up for sale. I don't know, but worth a try. But I like this, and the color is different. I don't have too many mustardy yellow things, but this is very nice. And it's got 2 straps on it. And so it's big, you can carry it, or you can also swing it up on your shoulder. This is something that if you're going away for the weekend, that you could even just throw a few items in there, including your cosmetic bags and other things, because this is huge. Look how big it's covering me up. This is so big. Very nice. Love that. You let me know what you think down in the description. I wasn't expecting a big old cloth bag that big. That is excellent. All right, guys. Are you loving this box or what? Okay, the next item that I'm seeing, oh my goodness. Well, I guess there was another item in there that's not a bag. Let's check this out. Look at this. This is a scarf. Oh my goodness. Now, isn't that lovely? Oh my. Now, this is going to match the bag. You could probably even tie this on the bag and have a nice little look for that. Oh. This is really, really cute. I love the colors in it. It goes with my beach shirt I have on there. I could probably even, let's see, if I could wear it in my hair. Now, I am not good at this, I can tell you that. But I'm at least going to show you what it could do. Oh my goodness, see if I can pull that through. Okay, let me see. What do you think? Now, I don't have it perfect. As you can tell, I've got my hair a little bit messed up there. But isn't that cute? I could wear it as a headband. Let me get my earrings out of here. All right, well, what do you think? Okay, so it can be a scarf or it can be a headband. And I'd be matching and styling in my little mustard bag. Look at that, matches it perfectly. That is excellent. Okay, let's see what our next surprise is. Now, this has to be the last bag. I mean, because we've gone through, I don't know how many lifestyle items. And now we're gonna find out my BOHO bag. I think the big classic bag is like a classic bag. Everybody might get that. But then if you pick classic, your bag's probably going to be bigger, be a little bit more classic style. And then when you pick BOHO, look how cute BOHO is. Oh my goodness, this is going to match my scarf and my hat because it's made out of straw. Isn't this adorable? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Just adorable. Oh, it opens up like this. Like I opened it and then it popped open. I opened and it popped. Wow, that is so cool. I've never had a purse like that. And then you have your crossbody strap. Oh my goodness. So we can use this as a crossbody or you can just have it with the handle. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. I just really like it. And do y'all remember now, I did get this straw hat. So this would even go, if I can get this on right, this would even go with my little straw bag purse. And it feels like it's leather, and I don't know if it is or not, but isn't that just so cute? I just think it's wonderful. All right, guys, this has been an incredible BAGAMOUR box. I really love this purse. This is so cute, and it says the same thing. For the love of the bag and everything within, welcome to BAGAMOUR family. And then again, it's got that code on there, so you can share it. And then remember, I had a strap with it, so I can make it a crossbody. And this is super cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to put that back in there. Did I show you how much space you had to put a cell phone in there, maybe a little wallet, and then your lipsticks and stuff? But oh, how cute if you're out shopping or going to the theater, going to a special occasion, and you just want something really cute with your outfit. And look how we can just all match this up with our purse. And we got our scarf, which is very pretty. I really like the colors in it. As a recap, we got our purse, we got our lunchbox, we got this rose flower roll-on. This is rose floral, and Smells really good. We got this pink lip gloss from Bella Pierre called Runway. We got these cool looking sunshades. Now how about these sunshades and then my hat? Got my purse, got my bag. Wow, my big old bag. And I am ready for shopping or going to the beach or going to my friend's house. This is fabulous. Did I leave anything out? Oh my goodness, there was just so much in this bag. BAGAMOUR, wow. Let me tell you, what do you think? What's your favorite thing? I don't know. I'm going to have to say my favorite thing is going to be this BOHO purse. That is just adorable. I love the hat. I love the big old bag over there. I think this is a great box, and I really like the sunshades, and I'm just going to look so boho chic with all of this. This is just excellent. And I for sure got to take these with me on my trip because I wear a lot of that off-white aqua color, so this will be very pretty with that. So sunshades, a purse, a hat, lipstick, a lunch pail if I want to eat on the go. I mean, this is just super duper. Y'all just have to let me know what you think. Okay, that is all I have today. And be sure and check out any current giveaways. And remember, I do have the Temu Partytime going on, and it will have at least 5 videos, and there's at least 2 more to do. So be sure and keep an eye on that, and I'll let you know when it closes. But as for today and BAGAMOUR, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.